How to use the Semrush affiliate program. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Semrush affiliate program effectively. Semrush is a powerful SEO and digital marketing toolkit, and their affiliate program can help you earn commissions by promoting other products. So with that said, make sure you watch the video till the end. So the first thing that we need to do is open up the website. So just type in Semrush affiliate program, and the first link should take you to their website like this. Now, you might be led to believe that you signed into the affiliate program by just clicking here to sign up, but that's not the case. For you to sign up, you actually need to scroll down a bit and click this button that says Join Semrush Affiliate Program Now, and then click Join Now. So let's sign up. So now we can see the contract terms. If you complete the registration, you're basically not gonna get any money. So this is 1 cent per order, but of course you're not gonna want that. You're gonna want the trial. So a trial, if you promote their products, you're gonna get $10 per order, but that's a trial. First purchase means the first purchase of your subscription with Semrush. So you will need to use Semrush with a subscription for them to know that you are a serious affiliate marketer. So let's scroll all the way down and click accept. And now you can log in with Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and even LinkedIn, but I'm gonna use Google. And if signing into your Google account doesn't work for some reason, you need to click this icon right here, go to the site settings, and make sure that Google sign in is on allow or ask, which is by default, and then when they ask you, you can just click allow. So here all of my data is automatically uploaded. Let me just enter my phone number and make sure you check this box right here. You don't need to check the other box. I finally got my code, and from here you can choose your primary business model. Now why you need to choose this is for them to accept you. They want to know if you're gonna be a good affiliate marketer. So for example, if you have a lot of Instagram followers, you can choose creator. If you list products on the internet, you can choose content or reviews and stuff like that. So you can just choose your own little niche. I'm gonna choose creator. Let's continue. And from here, you will need to add your social media. So where are you known at? So let's add social. I'm gonna do one of my YouTube channels. Let's say, now as you can see here, they're gonna wanna view my YouTube channel, view my content, and that's the only thing they're gonna do. So I'm giving them permission to do that. Let's tell them I am an individual. Account display name, this should be, I'm just gonna do this. And there you go. You are in the dashboard right now. So right now I'm at the first step of that contract. Now if you remember, I did mention there was a trial, there was a first subscription, we're at the register because they haven't accepted us yet. So now keep in mind, if you don't get accepted the first time, you can try another time. You can actually try as many times as you want, and you might get accepted the second or the third time. So when you get accepted, it's pretty easy. You can just get the links that you want to promote and you'll get commission. But now, how do you get paid? Common payment structures for affiliates include pay per sale with a fixed fee with a percentage, pay per lead or inquiry, and pay per click. Pay per sale with the fixed fee is where the fixed fee commission is paid to the affiliate every time a sale is made, regardless of the order value. Now, pay per sale percentage is where there is no fixed fee and you get paid to the percentage of the sale price. Pay per lead or inquiry is a fixed fee that's paid out every time a qualified lead or inquiry is made. Pay per click is pretty much the least amount of money you can get, and that is every time someone clicks on a merchant's site by the affiliate link, you get a very small fixed fee. Now remember, success as an affiliate takes time and effort. By promoting Semrush effectively, you can earn commissions and grow your online income. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.